Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price, loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, keyless ignition, iPod adapter, MP3, power panorama sunroof. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2015 Golf. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.8-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, roof rails, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find cargo area 115-volt power outlet, cruise control, trip computer, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display, one-touch windows, 4, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation. It's the original fun-to-drive hatchback. Drive one today. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Every certified pre-owned Volkswagen comes with a limited warranty, 24-hour roadside assistance, and peace of mind knowing that it passed a comprehensive inspection. That's 3 major reasons to go out and buy yourself a certified pre-owned Volkswagen. See your dealer for details.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.